In this video, I'd like to share to all of you about how to make a wardrobe with a side shelf in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, you have to make basic plan of the wardrobe. You can set the distance of wardrobe. You can set the length of the wardrobe around 2500 millimeter. Then you can set the height of the wardrobe around 600. And then you can push it up until it gonna 3000 millimeter, right? And after that you can offset it inside to make a frame, and you can pay attention about the side. You have to make a space to make a side shelf. It's maybe you can make 300 to this side shelf, and then you can add the line right here, and then you just offset it inside around 40 millimeter. Then you can push it to the back around 550 millimeter, and then you can offset it. You can offset it inside around maybe around 20 millimeter only. Then you can push it until 250 millimeter. Okay, and then you can erase some unnecessary object right here, and you can get the basic shape of this wardrobe design. And then you can make a shelf with use rectangle in this space, and then you have to push it up around 20 millimeter. Then just make it group and make it component. Okay. And then you have to set the wardrobe height maybe around the functional daily functional of the wardrobe. Maybe it's around maybe it's around 2000 millimeter. You just type on your keyboard 2000 millimeter, and then just type 6 and slash, just press enter. So you will get the automatic divider about the shelf, and then you can make a shelf again right here. You can just set the thickness around 30 millimeter, and then just make it group and move it up until right here. And after that you can divide it to be several compartment of this wardrobe space. Maybe you can divide into the 3 part right here, and then you can delete the center line right here, and then you can use a rectangle, and then you can you have to draw it first, then you have to erase it, and then you can push it to the left side around 30 millimeter, then just make it group. Okay, and then you can move to the position, and you can move to the position, so you will get the wardrobe. You will get the compartment, something like this, and then you have to push it up, and then you have to push it up again with the push tool, and then you may, or maybe you can make the divider more higher than before. Then you can make some shelf again right here. Then you can make some shelf by push it up until 30 millimeter, just make it group, and just make it component, just create it, and then you have to move and press Control, and then you have to position on it and just type / and then press enter, so you will get it. And after that you can delete unnecessary item, and then you can move it and press Control to duplicate it on another side. Then you can use a circle to make a cloth holder stick right here, cloth holder cylinder. Then you can adjust the color of the holder stick. Okay, something like this. And also you can make another shelf on the center position. Then you can make it unique, and then you can adjust the dimension, and you can push it to the back. Maybe it's around 100 millimeter, and then you can divide it again to make more compartment, something like this. Okay, and then you can make more shelf again. Then you can make it group and just move it to the front, and then you can offset it inside. Okay, maybe something like this, and then you can make a hole right here. Okay, maybe you can use the push and pull to make handle, the permanent handle of the drawer. Then you can duplicate it again, or you can adjust it, something like this. Okay, and then and after that you can make a door by using a rectangle right here. You can make a door by using a rectangle, and then just push it to the front around 30 millimeter, and then you just make it group, and then just push it to the center, and then make it component also, and then create it, then move it to the right side. Okay, and you can make it unique again, and then you just position it on the center, and then you can move to the center drawer of wardrobe anyway. Okay, maybe you can see it, and you can add more cover of the wardrobe to make it more neatty, and you can make it cover or the door, and you can just position it, and also you can make a door handle, small door handle to make it more look just small door handle to make it more elegant anyway. So you can use this, and you can make it component, just create it and just duplicate it again right here. And so you can make it group, and make it group, and make it group also. Okay, and then you can adjust the color by select the Formica laminated light. Okay, so you can get the color of the wardrobe anyway, and then you can duplicate it to make a more representative presentation about the condition, how if the wardrobe are open, and how if the wardrobe are closed. So you can use a rotate. You can use a rotate to make it more representative, something like this. You can follow the step. Okay, you can use. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you will get a lot of benefit from this video, and wait for my next video. Thank you.